Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of the Claire partial monofilament wig from Noriko in the color Mocha H or Mocha Highlight. I've been wanting to review this color for a while, and I figured what better opportunity than with this glorious new addition to the Noriko line. Claire is one of Noriko's all-time best-selling styles, that and the Sky, so it makes perfect sense why they would want to sort of improve on them by adding monofilament features. Now I know a lot of people read the description of these two wigs and they think, ooh, it has a monofilament front. Does that mean it has a lace front? The answer is no. None of these PM partial monofilament wigs have a lace front. Instead, it basically just has an extension of the monofilament side part that extends to the front. So it does not have a lace front. And I'll show you in more detail when I take off the cap. I think this wig is adorable, just like Claire is also adorable. Now because this is a brand new wig, it hasn't been sitting in the box for a while, so I find that unlike the Claire that I reviewed when I first took a look at that particular style, I find that this particular sample, because it's fresh from the factory, it just moves really beautifully. I am very impressed. I think this one is very professional and very, very cute on, and I think that this one would look great on a wide variety of face shapes, which probably explains why this particular style is so popular in both its original form as well as the PM form. This one's also been flying off the shelf. So before I get ahead of myself, let me go ahead and discuss this Mocha H color. The name makes it sound like it should be dark, right? Mocha, you know, chocolate, but no. This is actually a light color, as the swatch indicates. It's kind of like a light ashy brown that has lots of blonde on it. So let me go ahead and move into the light so I can show you in detail. In the light, in the light. This is one of those really beautiful shades that's got that little bit of ash, little bit of gold, all mishmashed together to create a very beautiful, balanced shade that is quite light, but it isn't too light, you know? I mean, it's right on that edge between a blonde and a brown. Very, very, very pretty, pretty color. And it is one of their gradient colors. So this wig color definitely has that darkened root, and you can see that monofilament there. I'm wearing a darker wig cap today. There you go, monofilament there. Now with these partial monofilament wigs, you're not going to want to move the part around. It's on the left, it should stay on the left. And I know that that's going to be a for a lot of you, but I'm serious. If it's on the left here, with these partial monofilaments, you should keep them there because you'll distort the entire style of the wig. If you want to switch the part around, go for the non-monofilament version of this wig. I know it's kind of a poop, but that's kind of the choice you're stuck with. So now I'm going to go ahead and do a little turn for you so you can see what Claire PM looks like on all sides. Yeah, this wig is adorable. I'm gonna go ahead and take Claire off now so I can show you what the cap construction looks like. So Claire has an L-shaped monofilament insert that is like a traditional monofilament side part plus, because it's got this whole front section that is also monofilament. Again, there is no lace front on any of these PM wigs. There is, however, permatease. You get a generous bump of it up here at the crown. You get that with all Noriko wigs, whether or not they have monofilament. And there's also more permatease here with this rose lace is. You have open wefted back, open wefted sides, and you also have an extended nape. It adjusts a bit like a bra strap here. And it's kind of stretchy on the sides, but a lot of Noriko wigs tend to fit me kind of small. Because I got a big head, so just throwing that out there. They do fit true to average, so if you have an average cap size, you'll be in great shape. As far as the permatease is concerned, it helps give the wig body and prevents it from lying flat after washings. Here is the texture up close and personal. I think this wig is really super cute. The fiber feels really nice and light, and as you can tell with the wind, it moves really beautifully as well, even with this really short style. Very, very nice wig. I'm gonna go ahead and put this back on. Be with you in just a second. So Claire PM weighs 3.2 ounces. She's quite lightweight. You get a lot of hair for that, which is really nice, with a lot of body and potential for styling, which is really cool too. She has a front swept fringe that is 5.7 inches, a crown that is 8.3, and a nape that is 5.3. And I really like this wig. So this has been the Claire partial monofilament wig by Noriko in the color Mocha H, or also known as Mocha Highlight. Again, this is a light color, but it's one of their gradient colors, so it's got that really luscious dark root on there. Very beautiful color that's a little bit on the ashier side without going too ashy. So very, very pretty. So I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. Check out my web store if you get a chance. It's just www.cysterwigs.com, Cyster with a C. And until next time, I hope you have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.